This 2014 Keystone Laredo 240MK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Taylor, Michigan, 48180 and is offered for sale by Vickers Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 27 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 4, air conditioning, water heater, leveling jacks, smoke detector, TV, LP detector, stovetop burner, microwave, oven, slide-out, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2014 Keystone Laredo 240MK is 5,292 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Vickers Trailer Sales.